What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and today is a special day. It's Penguin Trek's Media Day. Yeah, that's right. We're going to get a chance to finally ride it. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. And here we are. And directly outside we have a test seat, so you can check it out, make sure you're good to go before getting on the ride. And then over here, maximum height not to exceed 78 inches, to ride alone 51 inches, and guess must be a minimum of 42. And here we go. So queue area over here, the pre-show.
Yeah, here you can record if you want.
Different areas, so we're in the main queue. It is very cool in here too. With it being so hot outside right now, this is glorious. Long stairway up here, and this is the area where we're going to be going by the maintenance area, maintenance barn and station. And there's the station, and here's the maintenance barn area, transfer table, all that. Here we go.
Buckle up. It's time to explore the coldest place on Earth. As you glide to a gentle stop, face forward and keep your back and head against the seat and headrest at all times. Made easy work of that snowdrift. As you glide to a gentle stop, raise your lap bar above your front. Bundle up, it's time to explore.
They're changing out videos.
It's time to explore the coldest place on Earth.
Bye-bye.
Alright, so the harness is actually pretty comfy. Got kind of a nice bucket seat to it. Very open. A lot of movement though. What's up, guys? We're here on Penguin Trek. We're about to take our very first ride right now. a long time coming, well over a year and a half for this moment. And here's the biggest thing. It's a great ride.
Yeah.
It's not crazy fast like Mako or anything else. It's a family attraction. That's what the park wanted, and that's what they got. I think it's an excellent family edition.
No, like you said, it's nothing too thrilling or anything, but it's perfect for kids, you know, like the grandparents out here.
It's pretty good.
Easy work, that's no good.
Woo!
Raise your lap bar above your frosty brow and gracefully step off your snowmobile to the right.
What's up, guys? We're here on Penguin Trek. We're about to take our very first ride right now. We saw a snowmobile. There's a nice screen. It looks really good in here, actually. The lighting's really well done. It's launch time, baby! It's time! Let's go! Woo! There we go. Nice first launch. A little bit of air time right there. Nice transition there. Right, so we're coming up to the turn before the second launch. Let's go! Alright, that second launch was pretty good. A couple more turns and hills. And into the brakes. Woo! And that's Penguin Trek.
Yeah.
Good ride.
For all the covers that we did, that was really, really
Yeah,
good.
it's been a long time coming, well over a year and a half for this moment. And here's the biggest thing. It's a great ride.
Yeah.
It's not crazy fast like Mako or anything else. It's a family attraction. That's what the park wanted, and that's what they got. I think it's an excellent family edition.
No, like you said, it's nothing too thrilling or anything, but it's perfect for kids, you know, like the grandparents out here.
It's pretty good.
Easy work, that's no good.
Woo!
Glide with gentle stop. Raise your lap bar above your frosty brow and gracefully huddle up. Time to explore the coldest place on earth.
All right, so just got off the ride. Exit is literally right there. And look at that.
This is something I would
Check it out.
have never expected. You get off the ride. Everything about this ride is executed so well.
Well, check it out, folks. We have some more merchandise here for Penguin Track. So we have some new bottles right there, a new commemorative coin, and photo right there. As you can see, limited edition as well. Another coin right there. Hat has been here before, same with the shirts, but that right there is new.
When you guys are would you mind giving me a testimony?
Alrighty, guys, so we just had a chance to do Penguin Track officially, finally. Yay! We're done with it after years and years of waiting. Finally had a chance to ride. Overall, I do think it's a really good family roller coaster. It's a little less intense than, say, Icebreaker, and it's not crazy intense like what you're going to say with Mako or Manta and whatnot. Really fits the park in my opinion. They needed a decent family ride, that it wasn't going to scare the pants off the little kids. Grandma wasn't going to lose her wig or her mind or anything else. I know. But I think they really hit it with this one. First launch is really good. Kind of catches people off guard. The show scenes inside the building are good. I like the lighting. I like the projections that they have. And the screen is pretty good as well. I mean, it's pretty clear. You can see the penguins jumping into the water and whatnot. So inside, good. Cool as well. Feels like it's 60 degrees in there, so on a hot day like it is today in Florida, much welcomed. Again, first launch, good. Second launch, in my opinion, is better. I think you like the first launch a little more, yeah?
Yeah, I definitely think the first launch is really cool, like you said, and like the pictures from Tassie said and told. People are not expecting that coming out of there. You know, it's like a big jolt. But there's a lot of show scenes and lighting before that. The air is definitely cold. It's really, really unexpected. Definitely I recommend that for all ages. It's nothing too extreme, but it's still kind of nice, you know?
Yeah.
Definitely something I would recommend in the park, and plus, you know, it has those penguins at the end, which I'm okay with. So.
It was pretty nice. I gotta say, did front row and did back row. Front row I liked, but I actually think back row is a little better. They have an area after the second launch with the big turn that you kind of like hang there for a little bit, and I like that. But overall, layout's good. Again, this ride is not meant to be the biggest, baddest thing. For those of you that are commenting saying, "Oh, they should have gone with something better," I'm sorry. Don't ride it. I'll actually take your spot. Don't worry about it.
First,
No. Just don't even give them the satisfaction of that. Don't ride it. I don't want you to. If you're going to complain about it, it's not meant for you. I'll go take your seat. Overall, scale of 1 to 10 for a family coaster on this, I think it's probably an 8 to an 8.5. I do think they have a good ride with Penguin Track.
Yeah, I would definitely say probably 8.5 for me. I mean, it depends on what you feel, you know, whether you like the super thrill rides or you like the tame rides, you know. It's all in your opinion. This is our opinion, of course. But
Yep.
yeah, I definitely like it.
Good. Successful media day for Penguin Track. And to end the day, tank chickens. Good day for the pool. She's a maniac on the floor. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Track. And I got to say, it's not a bad little coaster. It really makes me happy that we've had a chance to cover this over the last year and a half or so. And we've covered plenty of products here at SeaWorld Orlando, and even the next ones that are coming up here over the next couple years. We want to say thank you to all the fans for watching, and hopefully you do get out to the park so you can try out the new ride. We'll have more videos from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter. I'm Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.